Would you be okay if your ex becomes your best friend's girlfriend?
Okay lang kasi...
Nandito tayo, tapos pumunta tayo dito, Pero...
okay lang kasi... people even that, you know, like, if you fall for someone, you fall for someone, and hindi mo yun yung mga bagay na hindi mo mapipigilan. So, okay lang sa akin yun.
Kaya yung best friend mo, may jowa, tapos naging mag-ex sila, tapos na-fall ka sa ex niya, magpaalam ka lang, yun lang mahalaga. Para sa akin, that's all you really need to do. Your best friend can't say no, kasi wala naman siyang karapatan, pero ikaw bilang best friend, magpaalam ka lang. Ganun lang yun.